Friends, running kimono. We have a midweek haul or a Tuesday haul over at Walgreens, and then we have some Dollar General penny items. So we're going to talk about both. So the first penny item, and yes, I have seen this specific item. I know there's a lot of different chips and magic in the clearance section, but for whatever reason, nobody wanted these, which are the Pringles Scorchin' Barbecue. They don't expire till January, but I guess it's just a little bit too hot. Here is the UPC if you wish to scan this in the Dollar General app or to punch in the number. And if it's ringing up a penny in your area, toss in your zip. You should be in business. Penny shopping, one of these things, it's like Fight Club. Just go in there and look for them. Don't ask the employees for the pennies. Even if your name is Penny, your name is Susan that day. Employees should have taken the stuff off the floor, but they didn't, so it's ringing up a penny at the till, and they are a penny until everything is off the floor. A lot of stores, especially around here, they will leave everything on the floor until it's all gone because food usually gets tossed in the garbage, which is really super sad. And I noticed a pattern in the app, no matter where I was looking. Some stores are saying they have 12, so I think 12 are in a case, so that's why that goofy number is there. So it might be in the back of the store, and there you're out of luck. Maybe if we have any Dollar General or Walgreens employees, let us know. For the Pringles chips, do they come in 12 per box? I'm just curious. You are so lucky to track down 3. We have a $1 off 3 digital that, yes, it's in fact attaching to said product. And just to show you my receipt, I got a $1 item from the dollar spot, and then I found 6 of these at one store. So, I paid just tax and then 6 cents for my pennies. Grabbing 3 with that $1 of overage. I grabbed one of these shoe erasers. I've seen them at the Dollar Tree, also at Dollar General, found in the dollar spot. I have white soles on a couple pairs of my sneakers, and I wanted to see if this works or if it's anything like a magic eraser. So I got a freebie today with the $1 of overage, but I cannot stress it enough, guys. You need something to pick up that $1. They will not hand you a $1 out of the till, so grab something from the dollar spot. Another item that I found a lot at one store, it was in the back in the food area, are these Clover Valley, which is the Dollar General brand. It's unsalted peanuts, dry roasted. And here is the UPC. If you want to give this a quick scan, by all means, see if your store might have them for a penny. Absolutely get out there. These pennies and the chips have been around since I think about the March clearance event. I've seen these items in the clearance section. The freebie guy also put together this list. So if you wish to type in the UPC numbers into the Dollar General app, see what your store might have. Is this worth the gas and your time to get out there? I absolutely would, especially for food. Over at Walgreens, and this has been floating all over social media, the Zarabee's Children cough syrup, or the various types of it. It's on clearance, 90% off. If you can find 3 of them, that would be $5.37. You buy 3, you get a $10 register reward, making it free, plus a $4.37 moneymaker. If you can only find 2, it's $3.58. $5 register reward, making it free, plus a $1.42 moneymaker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. What a superb deal. I have been finding a lot of little chess kits, game kits, and then I found this white noise machine too. So a lot of this stuff 90% off. $11.99 for this chess and checkers set by Dashing, and it was down to $1.99. By all means, use your Walgreens cash or register rewards. What a great deal. Here's the UPC for that little chess kit. Clearance is always a year, mileage may vary, but all the stores around here had similar clearance, so good luck, guys. And this is the sharper image. It is like a noise machine, or like a white noise machine, or rain. It does all these different noises to soothe you, to put you to sleep, so you'll look like that lady on the pillow. $3.21. So a really superb deal for this. I don't know if it was part of Christmas inventory or what, but I saw a lot of people on social media also with the same. They were like, look at this. And I found 3 of them. I used $10 of Walgreens cash and laughed all the way to the bank and back. And the one coupon deal that I did that's new is this guy, the Oral-B Super Floss. They are $3 a pop. That you're loading this $3.50 digital coupon. Here's the math, guys. 2 of the super flosses is 6. Subtracting that $3.50 off of 2 digital, you're paying $2.50 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it free, plus a $1.50 money maker. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, go for it. Another super duper freebie is with the Colgate, either the brushes or the mouth rinse at $3.99. Buy two, get $4 back in Walgreens cash. Please make sure that you have this digital loaded, which is a 4 off a 2. You can also get the paste if you want, but I went with the brushes. So grabbing two of them, that's $7.98. Subtracting the 4 off a 2 digital, you're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it free. And if you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, yes, you can spend it to earn it, as long as you're not doing it in concert with a booster. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.